Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be sharing 5 cute and easy Easter nail art designs that can all be created just by using a toothpick.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For the first design, you'll want to paint your nail yellow. To make an Easter egg, use a pink polish to first make a line of dots horizontally across the center of your nail. Next, keep using the same color to make 2 horizontal zigzags out of dots. You can change this design up and make it your own by using whatever base colors you want, or by using more than one color to make the patterns. The next design is a little lamb. Start off by painting your nail light green. Use the brush from a bottle of white polish to make a bumpy semicircle at the tip of your nail. Once the white polish is dry, make a smooth semicircle on top of it with beige polish. Once dry, use the white polish bottle brush again to make puffs of white over the edge of the beige section. Use black polish to make 2 dots for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, and then the mouth underneath. Add a dot of white to each eye and then make a couple of triangular ears with beige polish. Next, we'll be making a baby chick. Start off by painting your nail light blue. Using the brush from a polish bottle, make a single yellow stroke down the center of your nail. Once the yellow is dry, paint the bottom half of your nail white. Use a toothpick to add little white triangles to the top of the white section to make it look like a broken eggshell. Add some black dots for eyes and a little orange triangle for the beak. The next design is a carrot. Start off by painting your nail pastel purple. Using the brush from a bottle of orange polish, make a stroke down the center of your nail. Use green polish to add the carrot's leaves, and then use a darker orange to make a couple of horizontal lines on the body of the carrot. Lastly, we'll be making a cute bunny. Start off by painting your nail pastel pink. Use the brush from a bottle of polish to make 2 white strokes on your nail for the ears. Once the white is dry, use a pink polish to carefully make a thinner stroke down the center of each ear. Make a white semicircle for the bunny's head. Use a toothpick dipped in black polish to make 2 ovals for the eyes and then add a little pink triangular nose. Finish off by adding a white dot to each of the eyes. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.